So let's have an example for Thevenin's theorem. So first, in this problem, you are tasked to find for IL. This is ang IL natin. Ang IL natin is dyan. And what if yung RL mo is 6 ohms, 16 ohms, or 36 ohms? So now let's solve for that. Sabi nga, doon sa Thevenin's theorem, isang gagawin mo is look for RTH and also look for VTH. And also, dito yung RL mo. Ganda. So we have here. We have RL here. So yan. So dito yung I natin. Yan yung IL natin. But now, first, we look for RTH or depende na sa inyo kung sino yung gusto niyo makuha first. It's up to you kung gusto mong kunin is yung VTH or yung RTH. So for me, I'll have the value of RTH first or the R input. So now, doon sa RTH natin is i-off natin yung lahat ng mga independent source natin. But later on, try natin magsosolve ng circuitry na may dependent source. So now, what if we only have independent sources? We have short circuit natin to, i-open circuit natin to. Now, we have 4 ohms and we have 12 ohms, 1 ohms. So, we have here, find yung Rn natin dito. Pwedeng RTH. Dito, banda na terminal. Kung mapapansin nyo, kung saan yung load natin, doon tayo kumukuha ng VTH and RTH at saka VTH yun, rather. So, now, we have dito, ang RTH natin is simply equal to, we have 4 in parallel with 12. We have 4 times 12 over 12 plus 4 in series with 1 ohm. So we have 1 ohm. We have RTH natin dito is we have 4 times 12. We have 48 over 16. We have 3. We have 3 plus 1. We have 4 ohms. So now, ang RTH natin is 4 ohms. Now, to solve for VTH natin is, syempre, ibabalik natin yung mga sources natin while this one is open circuit yan. So now we have 32 volts, 4 ohms, 12 ohms. Yan. So we have that one here. Solve natin yung VTH natin or the open circuit. We have 1 ohms dito. We have 2 ampere dito. Now, kung mapapansin natin, yung 1 ohms dito is open circuit yan. Open circuit dito. Meaning, walang current na magpo-flow dito banda. So now, ang 1 ohm natin dito is mawawalan ng value. So, neglected yung 1 ohm natin. Yan, neglected ito kasi nga since walang magpo-flow dito, 0 yung current dyan, pero may voltage dito. Now, neglected yan. So, we have now, nangyari dyan is short circuit na lang yan kasi walang value yung 1 ohms mo. Hindi yan magkakaroon ng voltage kasi nga 0 current yung na-flow dito kasi nga open circuit. Now, ang 2 ohms natin dito is dito magpo-flow sa node na ito. Ngayon, as you can see, ito na yung bago nating circuit. Yan. So now, di ba, ito yung open circuit. Kung titingnan natin, ito at saka ito is in parallel with the open circuit. So now, by conclusion, ang hanapin natin na VTH or VOC simply is kung anong voltage dito sa 2 ampere or kung anong voltage dito sa 12 ohms natin kasi nga parallel sila. As yung property nga ng parallel na pag ang two branches are in parallel, their respective voltages are equal. But if branches that are in series, ang current nila are equal kasi series. Now, we can solve this one easily. How? Syempre, you can use or you can solve this one by nodal analysis, mesh analysis, source transformation, and also pwede din yung linearity property, but you have to have a reference to have K. And also yung source transformation. To have this, how? Ano yung gusto natin gawin? So let's try, solve natin to by using source transformation. So we have 32 volts at saka 4 ohms in series sila. So what if gawin kong source transformation ko yan? Ang mangyari dito is we have 32 divide 4, we have what? 8. We have 32 divide 4, we have 8. So now, kung mapapansin nyo, kuhan ko yan, ang mangyari dito is entering na 8 ampere, tapos 4 ohms, and also 12 ohms dito, and also we have 2 ampere. So now, this 8 ampere at saka 2 ampere is entering in this node. So meaning, we have mag-a-add silang dalawa. Instead, sinabi kong mag-add kasi nga lahat sila papasok sa node na ito. But if different sila ng direction, so meaning additive. Subtractive rather. So now, mangyari dyan, so i-add natin to, magiging what? So magiging 10 ampere yung papasok dito sa branch na ito. So what if dito? So we have 10 ampere, tapos we have 4 ohms, and also we have 12 ohms. Now, we can use current division. So now, for current ko dito banda, we have, bakit ko ginawang gawin ko is current division? Kasi nga, to use for V is equal to IR. Kunin ko yung I ko dito, tapos i-multiply ko ng yung 12 na resistor, so I have the VTH. So now we have 10 times 4 over 12 plus 4, which is equal to 40 over 16. So now we have 2.5 ampere. If we have 2.5 ampere na current which is flowing in this branch, ang VTH natin or ang VOC natin is simply equal to 12 times 2.5 ampere. So we have 12 times 2.5, we have 30 volts. Ang VTH natin is 30 volts. So we have, ang VTH natin is 30 volts. Now we can now easily solve for the current flowing in that certain load natin. How? So simply, syempre, we have VTH. Ang VTH natin is 30. RTH natin is 4 ohms. Kung titingnan natin, ang IL natin is by loop, mangyari dyan is VTH over RTH plus RL. Ngayon, we have what if for RL natin is 6 ohms, we have IL natin is 30 divide RTH natin is 4 plus 6. We have 30 over 10, we have 3 ampere, right? So for RL natin, which is 16 ohms, ang IL natin is 30 over 4 plus 16, which is 30 over 20, and we have 1.5. And for RL is equal to 36 ohms, we have, ang IL natin is 30 over 4 plus 36 rather. We have 36. We have 36. We have 30 over 40. We have 0.75. We have 0.75 ampere ampere. And that's all. So, ganun lang siya kadali yung Thevenin natin. If, ang meron lang doon is the independent source. But what if may dependent source doon sa circuitry na yun? Magbibigay tayo ng another for that scenario.